Alright, so greetings to our great people for a sacred planet. Tunde's Indigenous. So just I catch a little a power with live people. But them people have wings. Yeah, I don't understand why so much of them get up here, so. Or what is causing that to happen. We see some love making and go on and thing or attempted love making. But like if you're looking at the center there, so now it's just there's a little female there. You know, some men try, some of the male birds try to go up on top of her and all of that. I also noticed that birds give back shot too. I didn't know that, but you know, hey. Yeah, you know, so beautiful, but yeah, just in observing life birds, we all have to say the females are very selective in which bird or which male they allow to mate with them and so on. So it's a joyful experience still, you know, when you can just watch of them too, then I see it. Yeah, that look like Empress Anita and King TJ. Yeah, so that look. But live joyful, you know. Look how them just iron, you know. Yeah, you see it? Now cause no fuss, no fight. Come and try them just gather up and iron. You know, you see no fighting now go on. No drugs amongst them not rape each other, them not try to rob each other, you see that people? So we just always, I just saw Rastafari flow through. We love to live in love and love to see others live in love also. So watch it. Till such time, you know. Yeah, you see the view? Yeah, them now. Scared up normally and iron. So watch it. Till them time, you know. Tunde's Indigenous, left it up now. Tunde's Indigenous nation, Tunde's Indigenous farm. Calm and easy.